Yung paligid kaya.
What?
Ito na yung jacket. Ha?
Oh yeah,
It's fine. Okay, let's go. Go. Oh, tour mo na sila.
I love it.
Yes.
Right here. I don't see my. Oh, it's biting me.
It's fine. I'll just
Look at that one. My clap.
Oh. Ay, wag siya. Ay, ganun siya. Where's your classroom? Here. Why don't you tour me? Tour Mama. Come on. Welcome to my room. Come on. Something. I thought we're vlogging.
To my room.
Right, louder.
Welcome to my room.
Okay, let's go.
And these are my self-portraits.
Where is your face? Where's your portrait?
Yeah, up there.
Where? That's you.
That's you.
That's from the beginning of the year.
Oh, the beginning of the
Like the
year.
first week of school.
Wow. She actually improved.
And these are.
Wow.
We played with pattern blocks. And I. Oh yeah, it's like it's a lion. Oh,
So, here's your favorite topic.
that I do free time and my
You use that? So that's your office there?
That's no fair. They have touchscreen. We don't. Let me see. What books do you have? Can I see? Hi.
I don't know.
On the way here?
Maybe. Look, the baby now. It's big.
I know. I remember you were pregnant picking her up. Yeah, she's so big. How old is she now?
2.
2? Wow. Yeah, very soon she'll be here at school, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, you guys enjoy your time in the classroom. Thank you for coming.
So, siya here. That is it. One book per kid. Ano na?
One book lang.
One book per kid daw. Isa lang daw sila.
What for kids, Mommy?
Thanks for coming. The curly hair.
That's Jack Black from the Minecraft.
Plus, wow. Ooh, big.
Where are you? Yes. Yeah, this one's after you. No.
Saan to?
No. Mine doesn't really have any.
Asan na? This?
Yeah.
What the? Kasi anchored. Yung mga school.
Mommy, look it.
Sandali.
Wait, my mom.
Ayun sa kanila. Anong highest? 100. Ginawa. Gumawa ka na masira mo.
What? I think these are just like sealed up. So like, are you on the
Actually,
Depending on what. Where's Saoirse? Where you want to go? Go get just one book, okay?
Here, take your strawberries.
There's a dog one. Go. Get the dog one. Playoffs. Yeah.
Very nice.
You want it?
Yeah.
Is that the dogman you like?
Yeah.
Not the Mothering Heights?
I like the one.
How much is it?
What's that? We'll find out.
$14.
Go get it. Say hi.
Victor, we need a picture first. I'm too short. I don't think.